Oh, I'd like to see a movie
they make about you
now.
Oh, son, these people are
From
from
Hollywood.
Hollywood. The
One thing that I'll never do
is
is mess with a good story.
Red alert! Man your battle stations.
Status report, Mr. Fish. Commander, look. Looking through the black atmosphere.
Oh, but that means...
Yes, I know. The sky is falling.
Commander Little, no!
Please.
Then call me Ace.
Oh, Ace, no!
I never intended to bring you into this.
Abby. Run, you copy.
Run,
My friend, an alien fleet is about to invade Earth.
Civilization as we know it depends on me, and to a lesser extent,
You.
So
I've just got one question for you.
Are you
ready to rock? Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low.
Raise
You
your
know, Fox Shield run, prepare to engage. Stay on target.
Stay on target.
Stay on target.
Give him a taste of the other white meat. Captain, look out! Run!
Run.
Red, are you all
All right.
right? No,
Oh.
You gotta go all out, me, Commander. Just leave me some ammo. A little water. Some chips if you have them.
This is amazingly accurate.
He was my
Good
good friend.
friend.
Oh,
Oh, Abby.
At least I still have you.
Abby.
Ace!
Abby.
Ace!
Abby.
Ace!
Good
Good
people of
people,
Okiokes. Though at times it may feel like the sky is falling around you, never
Never
give
give
up.
up.
For every
Day
day is a new
day.
day.